If you're after a refreshing summery pudding, then you should try this German berry pudding. It's one of those simple desserts you do when you've got beautiful berries just like this. So we're going to place all of these berries straight into a pot or a pan. I like to use a pan because I want them to evenly cook. So in they go. And when I say cook, I'm not going to cook them all the way down so they lose their shape. I just want them to release some of their sugars and their juices. So in with our raspberries and the blackberries, no need to cut them up because they will break down slightly. And for the strawberries, because they'll take longer to break down, I'm going to cut them in half. And look how stunning they are. Oh, they smell so good. So I'm just going to cut the tops off them and then cut them straight into our pan. I'm also going to add some sugar to this, and we do need a little bit of liquid here because it almost sets like a jelly, and the juice I'm using is cranberry, but you could use any type of red juice. If you want to use a mixed berry juice, that works well too. So I'm going to keep cutting these. We'll put the heat on, and you want to cook them for about, I'd say 6 to 8 minutes, or until they just start to warm through and break down. Okay, these have started to break down, but you can see that some of them have still held their shape, in particular the strawberries. It smells so good. And it may look watery, but it's going to thicken up now with some corn flour. So you need about 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm going to add roughly 3 tablespoons of water. And we're going to give that a bit of a mix just to make a corn flour slurry. Okay, so that's coming up to the boil. I'm just going to turn it down slightly. And we're going to, little by little, add our corn flour. Don't want to add too much to start with. I really don't want any lumps, but look at that. See how it starts to thicken up straight away? Keep going, and we'll add the whole lot. Now, there's a few ways of setting this. You can set this in a large dish, or you can do individual ones. I'm going to do some individual ones, so little glasses. And I think it's really nice to serve it in a vessel that's clear so you can show off those beautiful berries. So I'm going to place a generous spoonful in each, just like that. And I want to fill it 3/4 of the way. Don't fill it all the way up to the top because, of course, what goes so well with berries? Cream. I'm going to serve it with a beautiful whipped mascarpone cream. Once these have cooled to room temperature, they go into the fridge to set. They won't take too long. You want to give it 3 hours. Even better, just do it the night before. Okay, these beautiful puddings have set. They look fantastic. There's still a slight jiggle in them, so they're not 100% like jelly. It's almost a cross between a jelly and a compote, so the texture is just going to be perfect. I've just been whisking some thickened cream, and I'm going to add some icing sugar. I don't want to add too much because the puddings are sweet enough. And, I mean, I love the addition of some vanilla bean paste, so we'll add about a teaspoon of vanilla. I want to see those speckles throughout it. And I'm just going to mix that in. I don't want it to be stiff peaks, so I'm just being really careful not to split it. Now, you could just place a dollop of this straight onto the puddings, but I'm going to take a little bit further and mix this into some mascarpone. Certainly not German, but I just love the richness of the mascarpone. So I've just brought it to room temperature, and I'm just going to loosen it up just with the back of a spoon, and then we can fold in our beautiful vanilla whipped cream. So in that goes. And there's so many different things you could serve this with. A little dollop of vanilla bean ice cream, chocolate ice cream could work nicely with the berries. This is just really nice too. See how thick and lush that is? Just right. Okay, I've got a little plate. We'll grab one of these puddings and we'll get a lovely dollop of that cream just on top. Got to have a taste of this. A little cream. Look at the berry colour. Look how perfectly set that is. feel like I can be transported to the Alps in Germany on a hot summer's day. Fantastic fresh berries. This is the perfect way to show them off.